Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Ubaba Umfundi.
Ngicela kubuta naku yabona iPirates itoli wine kamnandi idlale kahle ibakajuju lehamba straight sithola imidali konke singithi phakathi ngebhakaniya ngithi phambili Chips ikore not the TS Galaxy is not but next time to phumelela TS Galaxy the Kaizer Chiefs itaphumelela kanjalo ngithi lento correctala ngiye lento sathe cup next year
Uphi umfazi wakho mfundisi?
Lana ngiphethe umuntu uze sithandwa sakho
Angibonanga kahle lekhisa uyiphinde lapho.
Ya ngiyadlala tawine yephambili. Alasewina la simabhakaniya.
Baby. Ngicela ukhulume English. Ufundzile wena?
Ufundzile mina.
Yes.
Khuluma isingisi mfundisi.
You know some people ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs nePirates kumele tibambane. Whatever the Pirates gonna win today or Kaizer Chiefs gonna lose, next time you gonna win. Even Pirates, you gonna take the cup, you gonna take the trophy. The trophy because it's number 1 and it's about the Kaizer Pirates. Because Kaizer Chiefs because it's number 1. Be careful, the Orlando Pirates. I thank you.
Mfundi man of the match.
Man of the match. Sibona Mtawu Luong yambona uvalela uhamba lapha number 7.
Mfundisi before uhamba ngicela ushaye ilamza man.
Sengiyabalelisa. I'm the winner.